Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a free tutorial and a free review about this free website builder, which is called Yola. So Yola is a free website builder that allows you to create and build your website from the scratch without you needing how to learn how to code or learn any skills about coding. So here's a quick tutorial on how to get started. The first thing you have to do is sign up and log into your account. Then go to the Yola website, then click on get started, then sign up for a free account. Then from there, after that, try and log in to access your Yola dashboard. From there, choose a template. Then after that, then browse through the available template and select one that suits your website themes. After that, customize the template with your preferred layout, color, the font, and a lot more like that. Then after that, you have to add a content. So the content is where you can simply use the drag and drop editors to add text. So once you do that, you can simply use the drag and drop editors mode to add image, videos, and other elements to your website. After that, you can also create a multiple page and organize them using the navigation menu. Then after that, you can also configure your settings, which is you trying to adjust your SEO settings to optimize your site for search engines. And after that, you can also add sign up for a custom domain if you have one, or use a free Yola subdomain for that. Then you can also publish your website. So to publish your website, review your site to ensure everything looks good before you publish it. Then click on the publish button to make your website live. Then here's a quick review about this website, which is the Yola website builder. It's an excellent choice for beginners and a small business looking to create a professional website without learning anything or having a background knowledge of how to code. Then from there, also there are some key points you need to consider why you should consider using this website, which is one of the important key point of this website is user-free interface. It is very easy to use with an intuitive dashboard, and it also supports the drag and drop editors, which makes it more easier to customize your website. Then another one is templates. Then it has a variety of templates to choose from one angle to another, and makes your website more stylable. And also it is free. We have a free plan. Yola offer a free plan with a basic features, which is great for getting started. Then also, which is another key point, is customization. While there are many customization options, advanced features might find the features somewhat limited compared to the other builder. So that's it. And also we have a support. So you have a Yola provides helpful support resources, including the tutorial and the forum community, which help you sort out your daily difficulties from the website. And that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button, and follow for more. Peace.